Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve super magnetic puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Magyarics from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. This puzzle is made in a combination of Acacia and Venge woods. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to remove 4 parts from the frame and then put them back inside the frame. This puzzle has 4 parts, as I just told you. Each piece has unique shape, and the frame has 2 cutouts. On one side the cutout looks like a plus, on the other side the cutout looks like minus. That's why this puzzle has its name, super magnetic, because each cutout represents different poles of a magnet. If you like super magnetic puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. When you start solving this puzzle, you will figure out that some of the parts are just trying to escape from the puzzle. That's going to be this piece and this part. They're moving out of the frame as soon as you tilt it. But there is also one more piece on the bottom, which is going to try to escape as well. It's going to be this piece. As you can see, when we flip it upside down, all parts are just falling down. So what you have to do is to move this piece down and this down. It's going to be on this side, they're going to be up. And the third piece is going to stay on the bottom. Next, just tilt the box this way, and the piece on the bottom will move this direction. Now tilt it to the left. And this piece on the bottom gonna move all the way to the left. Now when you let this piece fall down, it will stick out on the other side. Next, what you have to do, there is piece number 4. It is hidden below this part. If you tilt the puzzle to the right, you will see that this piece just moved 1 step to the right. Now move it 1 step up and push it below this part, like this. Now we have to tilt the puzzle towards yourself. You will hear that the third piece that was on the bottom just moved all the way here, and that's when we have enough space to remove the piece that is in the middle. If you move it inside this piece, it will stick out from the bottom, and now it's going to be quite easy to remove all other parts. Next goes this part, and the third one is going to be this third piece that is moving there when you tilt in the box. And as you can see, some parts they have a plus and minus shape, again to prove the name of the puzzle, and 2 other parts they have a little bit more random shape. Now we have to find a way how to put everything back inside the frame, and that's gonna be following. So all these parts, when they're inside, they're going to be like this. Here, this part is going to cover this opening, and the bottom is almost covered all the way without one voxel. So how to put this shape? The plus piece is going to be right here. This strange looking piece is going to be right here. This minus piece is going to be right in this corner. And the last, the biggest piece, is going to be on top of everything. And to put everything back, first of all, it's going to be easier to try to make all the moves backwards, like we're trying to remove it from the box now. So this piece will go up, this piece will go up as well, and it's going to help you to understand how was the removing part made. Then the third piece that is on the bottom, this piece, it moves 1 step this direction, then it moves 1 step below this part, then we move this piece, it goes 1 step to the right, then we move it 1 step up and right in the middle of the frame. Then this bottom piece, we have to move 1 step towards ourselves, and then this piece in the middle just falls down through the opening, and we can remove it. And then we have enough space to move all other parts to remove them from the frame. So now we have to put everything back inside. And first we will put this piece. It goes inside like this, and you can put it to the left. Then this plus piece goes inside and you can put it to the right. Then we have to grab this large piece, put it inside like this, then move to the left and here. And the last one is going to be this piece, which we have to move from the bottom and all the way up so that it's going to stick out right here. So now if we grab the puzzle like this, tilt it this way, the third piece is going to move one step. Now you have to grab this small piece below the biggest part, move it one step towards yourself, down and to the left. Now it is going to stay there forever. We are not going to move it anymore. Next piece, we have to move the plus piece all the way up here. And now tilt the box to the right so that the third piece is going to move to the right, but keep the piece number 4 that looks like minus here in a corner, since it's going to try to move as well. Now tilt the box towards yourself, and the piece number 3 will move towards this wall of the frame. And if everything was made correct, the puzzle will be solved. There was the solution of super magnetic puzzle designed by Alexander Magyarics. If you like this puzzle or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Alexander Magyarics or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.